Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to turn off screen time passcode on your iPhone or iPad. And for this we go to settings, and then from here we scroll down to screen time. And then right here we go down and we click here on change screen time passcode. Now we have two options: change screen time passcode or turn off screen time passcode. Right now we click here on turn off screen time passcode, and then right now we fill in our passcode, and right now we just removed our screen time passcode because here is standing lock screen time settings, and now they ask us to set a new screen time passcode. So this is how it works when you have your passcode and you want to turn it off. If you don't have your passcode and you want to turn it off, then check out the other video from me where I explain exactly how to turn this off without a passcode. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.